my friends. Let's learn something new today.
Great, let's have a look at today's lesson. What can that all be about? Okay, guys, here we go. Okay, isn't, haven't, don't. Using negative forms. And once again, the lesson has been prepared by Alfred Krobler, trying to bring free education to as many people as possible. But of course, he does need some kind of support. Thank you very much. Okay, let's have a look at forming negatives. Right, firstly, negative verbs, right? Use not and auxiliary verbs to make sentences negative. Verb tenses. Negatives change with different tenses and auxiliaries. And focus of lesson, learn how to form negatives in English easily, right? We'll be following up with some examples in a later slide, and you'll see exactly how to do it and become a master in forming negatives. Okay, this one we're going to look at a negative with be. Right, the structure first. Subject plus be plus not. Okay, or the contraction of not. Okay, right, let's going to have a look at some examples. For instance, I'm not tired, or I am not tired, or I'm not tired. He is not the year, or he isn't year. They are not ready, or they aren't ready. Right? There are some examples for you to see how to use both of these structures over here. Okay, let's go and have a look at a negative with have. Firstly, the structure, subject plus have plus not. Or is the subject plus have plus the contracted form of not. Okay, right, let's go and have a look at it. Some examples. I have not seen him, or I haven't seen him. She has not finished. She hasn't finished. We have not been there. We haven't been there. Okay, guys, that's some nice examples for you. And okay, the next one, negative with do. Let's look at the structure. Subject plus do or does plus not. And of course, subject plus don't or doesn't, the contracted form of not, does not, or do not. Okay, let's look at some examples. I do not like it. I don't like it. He does not want work here. He doesn't want work here. They do not understand. They don't understand. Pretty simple and quite easy to use. Okay, let's look at some other negatives. Great. Okay, yes, a lot of things coming over here. Right, let's have a look at it. With modal verbs, cannot, can't, will not, won't, could not, couldn't, would not, wouldn't. Righto, guys. Let's look at some examples. For instance, I cannot swim, I can't swim. They will not come, they won't come. Righto, guys, that is some nice examples over there. I'm quite sure this is very simple and straightforward to make sentences. I don't think you need any more examples on this. Righto, guys, like always, with no exception, once you've reached a certain stage, it is time to practice what you have learned. Righto, let's have a look at it. Turn into negative sentences. Okay, you must take these and turn them into negative sentences. Righto. And like always, please pause the video, grab hold of your notebook or wherever you're busy doing them, and don't write it on the table. Your mom might be angry. So please grab hold of your notebook and answer your notebook as good as you possibly can. And of course, like always, the first one I'm going to give to you, she isn't going. Okay, guys, you on your own now. Please try and do them as good as you possibly can.
Hey, you must pause the video.
Okay, I assume that you did pause the video and do all the work, and you're now very anxious to check how many you had correct. Okay, guys, let's have a check your answers. Okay, the first one was given to you. She isn't going. Let's look at number 2. They haven't arrived. I don't know the answer. Number 4. I didn't go to the bank. Right, and I don't believe you. Right, guys, you've got all your answers. please, if you didn't have them all correct, please go back, watch the video again, and try and get it correct, guys. Please, it's important to understand these small little things, because if you do watch all my videos, these grammar videos I'm busy making over here, and you do all the work concerned that I'm giving you to do, I promise you that your English will improve tremendously. Really, guys, it's just one of those things that practice makes perfect. And honestly, these videos, a lot of time have gone into making them. And I do think that if you do it and you get them all correct, guys, you can give yourself a very big pat on the back. Go out, treat yourself to a cup of coffee. And while you're having your coffee, think about the person that made it all and support that person as well. Great, thanks for checking all your answers, and let's move on to the next. Okay, guys, we have reached the end of the lesson, and it's going to get some key takeaways to see why was it worth your while to do this lesson. Right, firstly, you learned on use, not make sentences negative. Okay. To use contractions like, the not just contracted into that form over there, are common in speech, right? Because many times, people when they're speaking, they're a bit lazy, and they'll just make a contraction to bring two words together, or to combine two words together. Auxiliary verbs change. Be, have, do, or modal verbs affect the negatives. Practice regularly, guys. Keep practicing to improve your skills. Like I've said in every single video, guys, if you don't practice, why even bother learning anything, not just English? Anything you're busy doing or learning, or whatever the case might be, keep practicing, because if you don't keep practicing, guys, why bother? With that said, guys, I hope to see you in the next one.